Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make your website public on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on one of my sites on Squarespace. I have opened up the editor and my site is currently private and I don't have a premium plan or a subscription for Squarespace. Why do I mention that? That is because the option to publish your site or to make it public is only available to people with a premium subscription. It doesn't matter what sort of subscription you have, whichever premium subscription you do have will be enough to make your site go public. I am on the free trial and this does not include the ability to publish my site, so I'll just show you where to go and how you can select it. I won't be doing it myself, but without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, to publish your site, what you're going to want to do is, once you're on your site editor, click on this gear in the bottom left, right next to the question mark icon, and it'll open up the website settings right over here. This is exactly where you want to be. Make sure it says website on the top, and you'll see site availability as the first option which is given to you. You want to click on that, and as you can see, currently it says private right next to site availability, but if I click on it, it'll show me this menu, and as you can see, it is telling me to upgrade so that I can publish my site, but it doesn't really matter. I can show you how to change it anyway. Now, as you'll see, public and SSO protected as options are grayed out. SSO protected does require an enterprise plan to be in place, so if you don't have it, you won't be able to access it, but if you have a paid plan, you will be able to make it public. As you can see in the top left, you must upgrade your trial to a paid site to make it public, or you can just keep it as is and have it protected, either make it private or password protected. Now, if I were to select public, and I'll use password protected as an example, if I selected public, as you can see, you can then just select it and it will be set to public. And once you're done with that, you need to click save in the top right. Now, I'll just add a rudimentary password and click save. And if I selected public, I wouldn't need to enter a password. However, once I clicked it and click save, that would pretty much make my site public. And that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.